Creating a crypto token sounds complicated, right? But what if I told you it's so easy that you can do it in under 5 minutes, maybe even 2 once you get this set up. Everyone's jumping into Pump.fun to create their own meme tokens, and this is blowing up. For example, this kid right here cashed out on his token and made $30,000. And then he watched the token skyrocketed, which could have been worth 5 million. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your wallet set up, fund it, create it, and set up your own meme token. Stick around till the end because I'll also introduce you to another platform that's just getting started, meaning you're still early. Let's dive into it. Okay guys, you're gonna wanna go ahead and download the Chrome extension, a Phantom Wallet. And you can also do this on mobile. I'm just going to show you on desktop, but it should be the same process is what I'm doing here. Go ahead. Once you have the Phantom Wallet, you'll be asked to create a new wallet, or if you already have a wallet. So once you create a wallet, you're going to get a seed phrase, and I recommend to write that down on paper. Keep that off any of your digital devices, because just in case you lose it or it gets hacked, somebody finds it, they have access to your wallet and your funds. So just rule of thumb is keep it off digital items and go ahead and write it down. But for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and we will create a new wallet. It'll kind of just say everything I just said, blah, blah, baby, easy recovery. See, so you can continue with email. It looks like you can actually do email. I'm used to doing just the seed phrase. All right, this will unlock your wallet. Then it'll display your seed phrase. We're gonna go ahead and copy this. You know what? Here, let's just do this. After you've written that down on your piece of paper, go ahead and click I saved my recover phrase. Now you're all done. Go ahead and get started. Now you'll have your Phantom Wallet up in your Chrome browser. Let's go ahead and log in. That's pretty much that. You just download the app, you save your recovery phrase, and you have access to your wallet. Once you start up your wallet, it will show 0 cents. You can actually buy in the wallet. I haven't done that, but let's say you had some, Solana. You want to fund your wallet. What you do is you click receive, and you can send anything on these networks. Basically, these cryptos, there's network tokens. See, Polygon is a network. Base is a token, but they use Ethereum on the Base network for their token, because you're going to need some of the tokens for gas fees and to, spend it and stuff like that. See, all the Ethereum wallets are all the same address because these are all L2s. You got your Bitcoin and your Solana. For Pump.fun, that is on the Solana chain. Go ahead and just copy your wallet, and we're going to fund that. I got my Coinbase over here, and we'll just send $50 here. Let's do $50. And then when you clicked to, you paste your address there. And just a good practice is to look up the last 4. We have BZCV. If I look up here, that matches. That is good. We're gonna go ahead and select that. And then we do preview send. See, and there's a send time. It's just verifying which address you're sending it to. There's a 3-cent network fee. And we just sent our funds from Coinbase, and look at that. Bam. Now you have your funds on this wallet. That's how you fund your wallet, and you can send to other people's wallets if you have their wallet address. It's pretty basic. It's just that's your address. You can send and receive with that address. Let's hop on Pump.fun, and this is where people are creating these meme tokens, and it's super simple. We have our wallet funded. It's just gonna give you a little notification, And instead of logging in, see, you're going to actually connect your wallet here. And when you connect your wallet, you're basically signing. You'll need to do a little signature. And this is just authenticating that this is your wallet. And let's see, you could create an account username. We'll just do Pump29. There, you save. Go ahead and close that. And you'll see up here in the top right corner your wallet. You are logged in with that wallet, and you can just select right here, start a new coin. And how this site works, you can see all these tokens are being bought right now and made. So there's tokens being made all the time. And I've seen they started doing, see, they have current live streaming. See, people are actually live streaming on this. You can actually hop in this and just see what people are doing. Request to join. That's interesting. Anyways, that's Pump.fun. Let's start a new coin. Name. Let's name it. You know what? Actually, I made a video, I made an image for this token. Let's call this token Sweater. Sweater dog. Ticker S dog. Let's do that. I like that. S dog. Who doesn't like a dog in a sweater? Then you're just gonna select the file here. There we go. Sweater dog. I like that one. Then also, if you want, you can add a Twitter link, a Telegram link, a website. I'm pretty sure if you add all that, you'll get better chance of people buying this, but we're just going to do a little test run. But that's basically it. You just fund your wallet, create a token, name it, make the ticker, description, put an image in, create coin. Then it's going to ask you, how much do you want to buy? Let's go ahead and create it. And when you sign transactions here, it's going to tell you how much SOL is being left out of your wallet, and then how much tokens you're going to get. Unknown is basically Sweater Dog. And see how there's a network fee? It's just a really small fraction of Solana. That's what on these networks you need fees for gas token. Just be sure you always don't use up all your tokens, because then you won't have enough for gas, and then you got to refund your wallet, etc. Go ahead and sign that transaction, and look at that. Look at how easy that was. Boom. Now we got Sweater Dog. Sweater Dog. Look at that. Another thing is you'll see instantly people buying, but these are bots right here. They're just trying to get you to click their links. Don't click on any of those links or go to any of those websites or telegrams. They're just scams, and they just want to pump your token, etc. There we go. We got Sweater Dog, and what you're trying to get is this bonding curve up. See, you need to get it up to $100,000 market cap in order to become a legit token outside of Pump.fun. But currently it'll just stay in here, and that's pretty much it. Then you could start a live stream, you can do all that, and it's pretty easy. Okay, now that you know how to do all that, before we go on to the other platform that I was talking about, I just have a quick word from a sponsor. And if you're interested in trading or leveling up your education on how to read charts, I'll go ahead and do that now. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank Blowfin for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trading crypto, Blowfin has partnered with me to offer you 20% off your trading fees. And that's a great way to save money while making the most out of your trades. Just use my referral link code EXPLORE20 when you sign up and start trading smarter today. Check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, you can also sign up for Nova in the referral link in the description. It'll not only help you grow as a trader, but also support the channel. And for that, I thank you deeply. Now let's get right back into it. Okay. This platform is called WEN, and the website is WEN.MARKETS. And this is basically a spin-off of Pump.fun. Basically the same thing, exactly how it works, but this is on the Polygon network. Pump.fun is on Solana. This is on Polygon. Now this one is really early. Like, see, you can even see here, there's only been 830 tokens that have been created. This is pretty early. If you guys want to just, try something new, try something early, get in, this would be the platform. And for this platform, you'll need Polygon instead of Solana. Same thing exactly what you did there with Solana, but just send Polygon, and you'll just have Pol in your wallet. I already went ahead and just created a sweater dog on Pol, and it's pretty easy. See, you can just buy tokens on here. You can just type how much Pol you want, and then you just buy, and you just connect your wallet. So it's pretty basic. Looks like, they still got some work to do, but other than that, this is a really early platform, and I really see Polygon taking off. Other than that, give a like, a subscribe, and share, and thank you for watching the video, and clear skies.